Super friendly. Go on, enjoy your little treat. Jack. Jack Sparrow. The last owner that had him, because he's a black pearl, named him Jack Sparrow, which I love it. I name a lot of my chins after movies. Is that good? Have you never had delicious treats before? This guy's he's loving the Cheerios I'm giving him. He's doing such a good, but he's such a nice chin. See that back there where I pulled all his mats out? Jack. He's next to the black velvet male. Jack, do you want any more treats? All right. Jack. He seems interested in him, but it could just be a male dominance thing.